Соединените американски држави за одзивот и нашиот позив да се одзоват за да обезбедат една донација на потребните санитетски материјали за организација на овие избори, за маски и дезинфициенси, при што благодарение на Американската амбасада и незините организации обезбедени се 10.000 шишеца дезинфициенси и 50.000 маски, кои што и текако ни помогнаа во организација на овие избори, се со цел да ја обезбедиме на нашите граѓани најголемата можна заштита за при изборниот процес. И ја користам оваа прилика уште еднаш да се заблагодарам на Американската амбасада, на американскиот народ за обезбедената помош. Се надевам и сигурен сум дека и во иднина нашата соработка ќе продолжи во овој правец како што се движиме и сега и претходно, затоа што Државната изборна комисија и во претходниот период и сега во овој период и се разбира во идниот период има одлична соработка со представниците на Соединетите американски држави. Уште еднаш ви благодарам многу, господин амбасадорке.
It is an honor to be here today with State Election Commission President Darkovsky to commemorate this donation on behalf of the United States government. The 50,000 masks and 10,000 bottles of disinfectant that we are donating will contribute to the efforts of the government of North Macedonia to conduct safe and healthy elections. The United States applauds the government for its commitment to democratic values even during these very difficult and unprecedented times. As you know, protective equipment and disinfectants are in high demand during this pandemic. Pharmacies across the country, however, have been striving to meet these needs and to help ensure the safety of their fellow citizens, countrymen and women. And we want to thank Jiva Pharma for working with the United States Embassy to provide these much needed supplies in time for the July 15 elections. We are encouraged that the government is taking active measures to ensure the conduct of safe and healthy elections and to protect the citizens and the election workers on this day and during the first ever elections being held during a pandemic here in this country. It is a tremendous honor and a privilege to be working with the SEC on this important effort, and the United States remains steadfast and committed to our partner, North Macedonia, our newest NATO ally, as we confront this global crisis together. Thank you.
Thank you. One question, Mrs. Ambassador. What do you think? Do you think that the pandemic will have influence on the turnout of these elections? Or maybe it is going to be the decisive effect will have the programs of the political parties?
We will have to see about voter turnout, just like everybody else. We are encouraged by the protective measures that we've seen put in place, by the excellent communications that have been conducted by the government to encourage voters to exercise their democratic right and options and to do so safely and in a healthy environment. We certainly hope that that will be the case on election days, actually beginning today, and we will just have to wait and see. But again, we are proud that we have been able to help by providing this equipment, and I hope that that helps ensure some of the citizens of confidence in these excellent measures. Thank you.